Hello! Welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will talk about our vacation. Let's go. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. If the sentence is too long, try to repeat 2 or 3 words at a time. Let's pack the suitcase. What do we pack? Bucket. We pack a bucket. What do we pack? We pack a bucket. Shovel. What do we pack? We pack a shovel. What do we pack? We pack a shovel. Truck. What do we pack? We pack a truck. What do we pack? We pack a truck. Beach ball. We pack a beach ball. What do we pack? We pack a beach ball. Fishing rod. We pack a fishing rod. What do we pack? We pack a fishing rod. What do you pack in your suitcase? I pack a bucket. I pack a shovel. I pack a truck. I pack a beach ball. I pack a fishing rod. Tell me about your vacation. Send me a PM video or audio message. I'd love to hear your English and help you. Thanks for learning today. Tomorrow, we will review what we have learned. Grab the free download to get ready for tomorrow's lesson. See you soon.